Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And for this, all we need to do is pop out this little flap right here. It is completely toolless, so you don't need one of these for this. It's completely useless. All you need is basically a fingernail. The bottom tray right here, just can grab it with your nail and pull it out, as you can see. And on here we will have space for two different SIM cards, so you can either occupy one or both of them. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. And from there, simply insert it back. Now the tray goes basically upside down like this, so that's why I flipped the phone, just so the card doesn't fall out. And for the SD card, place it on the top. So right here, as you can see, it starts sliding in. Now you need to have also a fingernail for that. Just push it in. The card will click in place and it will stay in there, as you can see. So now all we need to do is close this and wait for the device to turn back on. Now Sony is one of those that basically turns off their device when you insert SIM card for some reason. So that's why it is now turned off. There we go. So obviously SIM card is working. It is requiring a pin for that SIM card, so I'll confirm it. And SD card should be, oh, yep, it's working as well. You can see the icon right over here. New SD card detected, so SD is also working just fine. And that is how you would insert both of them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.